on, guys? It's Bez.
I
One
didn't
second.
think you were gonna laugh then. I was like,
I
yeah.
need to shut my door.
Uh,
Yo, what's up, guys? Alex here with Brad. Today we're flying the Airbus A320 in shared cockpit mode. Today we're flying to Oslo from Manchester. Flight time of about 2 hours and 20 minutes, and we've got full ATC online on VATSIM, which should be good. So yeah, we are in cold and dark, as you can see, and Brad's the captain today.
that's
I'm
right. We
flying as
said
the first
we.
officer.
Alex, you want to flick the gear up? Give them a demonstration. Oh, I didn't touch that. That's ghostly stuff there. I'm loving it.
That's just gay. Alright, anyways, so let's get straight underway here. I've got the checklist.
Let's get this bad boy started up, shall we?
Right, so we've got the pre-start checklist. We've got a parking brake.
Sorry,
You could have said the parking brake!
I was looking up. Right, parking brake set.
Throttles
idle.
to idle.
Check.
Battery master switch on.
Right, give me a second to find this thing. Battery master switch, where are we?
It's like in the middle. It's like in the middle of the overhead panel.
Master switch. No, that's the APU.
No, I'll turn it on if you want.
No, it's my job. Stop.
I've turned it on.
Okay, right.
Sorry. Panel light as required. We don't need any light. Landing gear lever down.
Yep.
Flaps up.
Oh. Let me check. My job. Check. Flaps up.
Spoiler retracted. Aircraft lighting off.
Check.
Flight controls free and correct.
Check.
I have no idea what that means.
That nothing's like moving your controls, but yeah, it's all good.
Fasten seatbelt sign on.
Check.
No smoking sign on.
Check.
Anti-ice test.
Let me go to my overhead. Anti-ice. I have no idea where that is.
It's just above all the lights.
Yeah. What do you want me to do?
Lights, exterior lights. Test it.
Is that right?
I don't really know, to be honest.
Turn it off. We don't need it anyway.
So let's just assume it's working. Okay, pre-start checklist complete. So now we want to turn on the displays, please. I'll turn them on my side. You turn them on your side.
I have no idea how to do it, Alex.
It's the switches just to the left of the panels in your case. Oh, I've turned them off for all of us. Never mind.
Go on. Okay,
check. IRS set to nav.
Yep, done it.
That's at the top left of the overhead panel. All three of them.
Nav, yeah, done. I'm a noob because I did this switch in front of me.
Copy.
Yeah, go on.
Okay, now we're beginning the before takeoff checklist, which we do not need to do yet. We've not even done the taxi checklist.
Right, we need to start the plane.
Right. Well, no, this plane has started, so now we need to program in the FMC, which I've got all the route information here, so I'll get ahead and do that. We need to contact ATC for clearance.
I can contact them for
ATC for clearance.
Let me do it.
Okay, you contact ATC for clearance while I put in the route.
Yeah, I'll contact them then, if you want.
Yeah, you need to write down...
What's our call sign?
Easy 8723. Do you want me to just send you a snapshot of all the
Easy
information?
8723.
Good use of technology.
Where are we going? Oslo.
EGCC to EGNM, yeah. That's all you need to know for calling for clearance. So go on delivery frequency, which I'll put in now. It's 121.7.
We need to switch it on. Oh, you just did.
Yeah, I've turned it on. I'll put
what
on
are we
the
doing?
frequency.
Yeah, okay.
121. This is delivery.
I need to do it on mine as well.
Is delivery still online? I didn't get the noise on VPilot.
Is it online? I got the noise, yeah, I'm on.
Oh, there we go.
Right.
Yeah, I just got it. Alright, you get ahead and get that, and I'll program in the FMC.
Forgot which button it is on my yoke to do it. Can you tell me if you can hear this? Did you hear that?
Didn't hear anything.
Did you hear that? Right, okay.
Yeah.
So it's Manchester delivery that we're contacting now. Let me just write this down. And we're requesting IFR clearance to Oslo as filed. Manchester delivery, this is Easy 8723 requesting ILS, IR, RIP.
You just said rip on the mic. Oh my god. You
What
just said
clearance
rip
am
on
I asking for?
ATC.
IFR, isn't it?
IFR, yeah. Oh yes.
Right,
Alright, anyway,
right,
sorry. That distracted me.
Let me contact them. Right, Manchester delivery. This is this is Easy 8723 requesting IFR clearance to Oslo as filed. Yes, I know. I said.
Easy 8723. Good evening, you're cleared to Oslo. We're whole 5 radio departure from 23 Squawk 6244 QH1013.
What the hell is this mic?
It's the whole. I wrote it down. Departure 23 left. It's the whole 5 right departure on 23 left squawk 6244 QNH1013.
Whole
I'll put
5
in the
right
squawk now
departure,
and
23 left. Squawk
yeah, it's squawk 6244.
6244.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Easy 8723. Whole 5 right departure, 23 left. Squawk 6244.
QNH1013.
8723, correct.
Okay, so you've probably just realised that we thought we were going on runway 23 left, whereas ATC told us 23 right. When we read back 23 left, the ATC said correct, so we programmed everything in on the FMC as if we were going to 23 left, the departure and everything. And you'll see how this didn't really work out for us in a few minutes when we begin the taxi, so sorry about that. What is that, Mike?
Correct. What just happened to your FMC?
What?
It glitched out. Right. Bad start, but banter, innit?
That was pretty funny, to be fair.
Yeah. Choked so hard when I was contacting him then.
That didn't work. Okay, flight plan.
What keeps happening to the FMC? You've typed in EGCC.
Being 155 request pushing start off 237. 0155, Manchester ground, field push now, frequency 121.
Does this mic sound so bad for you?
Yeah.
Ground for the pushback on 12185. Thank you very much. Have a good evening. Bye. 155.
How much fuel are we taking today, Alex?
I'm not sure.
That's your job anyway. You want me to start the plane?
Not yet, we can do that on push and start. Right, so we're going from Pole to Boxer. Boxer to Digby. Make sure it makes sense on the route, Brad.
What do you mean?
Like, make sure we're not going back on ourselves and shit like we are right now. Because of that, so we'll
I don't know what you're on about.
Never mind, I'll do it, it's fine.
The FMC's glitching out for me, I think.
Why, what's happening?
What can you see on your FMC?
On the left one, I'm doing the flight plan right now.
Yeah, it says EGCC/EGN MMMMM 1000 M's EZOB.
Okay, that's glitching out, just maybe like... I don't really know, but...
I'm not going to touch it because you're doing it, aren't you?
Yeah, true.
Open the window. Get some of that fresh air goodness in here.
I can see you opening,
Oh.
that's pretty weird.
Open yours as well.
I'll get ahead of the route now. Digby, from Digby to Cuttell. From Cuttell to Nivun. Nivun to Pipex. Okay, we don't actually need. And then that's it until ENGM. I'll actually put in the arrival now, or should I do it on descent? We'll do it on descent, we don't need to do it now.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's
do
the
it
route
later.
looking okay. How much fuel are we taking?
How much fuel?
It's 17 tons.
That's max fuel, isn't
No,
it?
it's not, it's 7 tons.
Alright, okay.
Cargo, should we go what, like half? Because we've not actually planned it, we'll just go half and we'll go 123 passengers. Load the fuel. Load it. Boarding, init load sheet. Okay, that's that done. That's the fuel done. Brad, I've actually never known how to set up the V1 and V rotate in this without actually just putting it in manually. What do you need to do?
Don't know, I put it in manually as well.
Are you messing with the trim right now?
Yeah.
Alright. V1. How do you do it?
Does that look weird?
Yeah. I wonder how you do it.
Just do it manually. Put 140 in.
No, but we need actual V1 speed. So after a couple of problems within the cockpit, me and Brad are ready for a push and start, so I'm about to contact delivery to request that.
So basically, because Alex started recording previously, we are actually in shared cockpit mode in the A320. We've set up a flight plan. First time in shared cockpit. Alex is the first officer. He set up basics. I've just got my plane ready.
One sec, I'm gonna contact now. Okay. Manchester delivery, easy 8723, ready for a push and start. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Last station, who's name?
What did he say?
Easy 8723, could you repeat the last transmission please?
Easy 8723, contact Manchester ground field push and start, 2121 from 850, have a good Christmas, speak to you soon, bye.
Contact Manchester ground on 121.850, have a good Christmas, thanks for the ATC, bye. Alright, so I'll change the frequency over now.
I'm on.
You done it?
Yeah.
Okay, cheers. Manchester ground, easy 8723, ready for a push and start from stand 1.
The 8723, push start approved, face west, QH101.
Push and start approved, facing west, easy 8723. Alright, so before we push and start, we just want to stick on the APUs. Stick the APU.
Yeah, probably a good idea.
The APU bleed. We can turn off the external power, even though I don't think we ever turned it on. Rip.
Put the logo light on.
That's fine.
Taxi.
Set the nose lights to taxi, seatbelt signs are on, everything looks good to go.
Yeah,
So,
do you want me to start the engines?
we'll do that drawing pushback. Facing west. Okay. So let's put that. Okay, no, we'll just do it manually. So,
Yeah, okay, right.
parking brake released.
Stop.
Begin the pushback.
Engine 1, you ready?
Wait, not yet. Pushback first.
Yeah, I know, but you can do it during pushback.
Yeah, we started pushing back.
No, do you want me to do it?
Yeah, I think you have to. Even though it'll be the
Right, pushing
thing.
back.
Okay,
Start engine one.
Engine 1 on, check. There
Yeah.
we go.
We'll wait for that to get nice and warm. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So we need to turn left.
Okay, number 2. Coming on.
Engine 2. Green.
The
Sure,
dog
we
noise,
can
that's
put the
always good to
anti-skid
hear.
on, I guess. We'll flick that on.
Yep.
Oh, the fuel going into the engine sounds like goodness.
Okay,
Right. You can stop the push. No, you can't.
not yet. Really like GSX or something for pushbacks.
Yeah, we do.
Because you can do
Tell
it
me
off
when
the
you want me to
FMC.
stop it.
Okay. It's gonna be a bit of a sharp left turn, Brad, so we want to go a bit further back.
Yeah,
You just do it when you're happy with turning left, I guess.
okay. Don't want to hit that Ryan airplane there.
I can't even see it. Is it behind us?
To the left.
Okay. 26. Manchester
What
ground, easy
frequency is it?
8723, ready for taxi to runway 23 left.
E8723, taxi Juliet, Foxtrot, and Juliet to Juliet.
What did he say at the end there?
I only get Juliet, Foxtrot, Juliet, that's what I got.
Yeah. Manchester ground, could you repeat the last transmission? I didn't hear what you said at the end there. Easy 8723. I'd imagine it'd be to Juliet 1, holding point.
Yeah.
Easy 8723, taxi Juliet 1 via Juliet, Foxtrot, and Juliet.
Yeah, alright,
okay.
we got it.
Taxi to Juliet 1 via Juliet, Foxtrot, and Juliet. Easy 8723. Okay, so we need to
Said
get...
that wrong.
No, I didn't. It was
Via
JFJ.
Foxtrot and Juliet.
It was...
Right, oh.
Oh, right, yeah. Okay, my bad.
Right. We can go anyway, can't we?
Yeah, just make sure the taxi
Can you
lights are
double
on.
check? Yeah.
Flaps 1.
Do that.
Can bring off the APU now as well. If you want to do that.
Me?
Yeah.
Hello, Manchester ground with you.
You ready?
Auto brake max. Spoilers arm.
5504, taxi initially Delta 2 via...
Take off
I'm ready when
config.
you are.
Okay, we can begin
I'll
our
taxi.
taxi, yeah.
Actually, one sec. I'm just going to turn on my engine sound because I can't hear anything and it's quite lonely.
Okay, so we got redirected to Juliet 1 of 23 right rather than 23 left. So we're on our way down there now. Wait, I think we've been stupid as fuck. Oh no, we're not. We were told to go to 23 left, I'm pretty sure. We'll find out on
Yeah,
the
we
video
will.
if we look like dicks or not. When
No,
we
because
edit
he
it
said
back.
2-3 right was closed after ground directed us there.
I know, yeah. Oh well. Right here, not here. This is not Juliet 1.
It's straight on.
That is Juliet 1. No, it's not.
There's the pub.
I've been to that pub. I went to that pub like 3 times in the summer holidays.
Did you?
It's sick.
Is it good?
Yeah. There's like mini engines that you can sit in to eat, and then like the garden. You can't see it on FSX obviously, but the garden's actually huge. The view of
E3D.
that. Same thing. Sorry. Okay. Okay.
Contact ground. Let's get this over
Tower,
with.
yeah. Manchester Tower, easy 8723 at Juliet 1. We have to do the before takeoff checklist once we're lined up.
EGCC, runway 23 right, clear for takeoff, surface between 170 degrees, 11 knots.
Alex, go
Clear-
to your
Clear
departure,
for
change it
takeoff
to the
on
pole 5 right.
Easy 8723. I just don't know what I just said. Yeah, okay.
Insert pole 5 right into your departure, I've done it. Right, can you set the lights please?
Hang on a sec, we've got the... Oh no, it's already happened. It's already done it.
Oh, I did it then.
Yeah, okay Brad. Line up. Well, park in...
Yeah, set my lights.
Not yet, we've got the checklist to do. I'll do it when we do the checklist. That can go there. We actually don't need that anymore. Line up. Before takeoff checklist, parking brake. We can set that once we're lined up.
Approaching 2-4 right.
Get centre line with this.
Yep, nice.
Wise man wants stead. A runway behind you is pointless.
Okay,
Parking brake set.
throttles to idle.
Idle.
Flaps 1.
Flaps 1.
Spoilers retracted.
Retracted.
Flight instruments checked.
Checked.
Engine instruments checked.
Check.
Takeoff data V1, V rotate V2 checked.
Check.
Landing lights on.
On.
Taxi lights / runway turn off lights off.
Off.
Strobe lights on.
On.
And before takeoff checklist complete. Takeoff
let's go.
checklist is smoothly increase the thrust to 40%. Full to toga
Roger
after
that.
that. And then the V1.
40%. Right, we're at 40. Mantoga.
Mantoga.
Let's set Mantoga.
The V1 is what, 143?
Yeah.
V1. Rotate.
Retard.
Positive rate, gear up.
Put the gear up. Nice. Thrust set climb.
Yep. And we'll bring on the autopilot.
We'll do that.
EJ723, contact man radar 11575, by the way.